this is how you clean a beauty blender. So first, I use some baby powder, some soap, and some water, which is basically simple. So first, listen. Go in here, pour it on the brush. If you add too much, just do this, and then it'll look like this. And then you want to rinse it off. Squeeze all the way out. And when you put it in the water, it's going to turn brown, like this color. But when you squeeze it, it turns into a dark, lighter color. Then you put soap. It looks like a jello thing. I'm just going to sit it in the water. Sorry if this is going to be in the way. Put some soap, some bone soap, some bar soap, because this is what I'm using. Dove. You don't have to use Dove. You can use Spring. I forgot what the brand is called. Something Spring, the green kind. I have it, but I'm using Dove to see what happens with Dove. Because this is what me and my family use. So you want to squeeze, rub baby powder, My hands are all dirty and stuff. And then I see what's here. See, look, all the makeup comes out. All of it. And it's so dirty. It's so dirty. Hold up, let me dry my hands off and I'll show you how dirty it is. Okay. So look. See? And roll it up. Right? Look. Look at that. Foundation and stuff just coming right out of it. Because I told you guys to put the baby powder and the soap mixed in. That makes all of it come out. So I'm going to do it, keep doing it again and again and again and again. So you can get all of it out. And the baby powder really like thickens it up, makes it like thick and like it just squirted everywhere. Oh my god. So this gets everywhere, so I'm recommending doing it like in a sink, in a bathroom, not in a dining room, because it will get everywhere. And besides, if you have food beside you and it's going to get in the food and it's going to soak, and then when your mom, and you forgot to put it up, your mom is going to cook it and then people are going to taste foundation in the food. So that's why I recommend doing it in the sink in the bathroom, because everything goes in the bathroom. Okay. So put this on there and let's see how much this costs. This and this. And if you really want to see the stickiness, then add baby powder, because you don't want it to be all dirty and stuff. Then I'm just adding stuff for no reason when I'm not posting. I'm gonna add that to This is not by my phone. Because I'm recording off my phone and not off like a camera. Because I can't afford a camera right now. And guess what? It's okay. It's all right. And then I'm going to squeeze it. Just try not to overflow it. It's pretty heavy. Oh my god. Let's do this in a second. Why do you want to wear something? It's probably going to take a while. So I'm just going to keep the camera running. But it's probably going to take like hours because my mom probably had this for like 10 or 11 years or before I wasn't even born. Because I was born in 2010. 2010. So, yeah. Tell me down below what year you was born in. And I don't know why, but I feel like grown-ups who are going to be watching this are like ladies because they need to wash their beauty blender one day. And then look at this. Ew. That is how much foundation you want to put on. That's not good. Because guess what? They don't need all that makeup because they are beautiful. And this is my mom. So. Okay, now, wash it. And that's what you call a clean beauty blender. You're probably like, are you in school, little kid? Yes, I am out of school. It's my summer break. I go to school all the way back in May, and I get out on May 15th. And it's like, no, get out. I'm like, yes, I do. I swear. I swear. So I have to clean up this mess. Dry the sponge up. Dry it all up. Dry it up. Drop it. Then I put the sponge in there. And I'm cleaning it. And then boom. Ooh, shucks. I had to do it one more time because, yeah, oh my gosh. If y'all can see this in real life, but it's okay. So, this is how you end, this is how mine ended up looking like. And yeah, this is what it looks like. So, I am going to go to my bedroom so I can have so much fun. So, see ya next time. Bye.